Alright, eBay bidders, buyers, this one is a rare piece. It's a Harley-Davidson handcuff keychain. Police 1. From what I understand, these were handed out to officers when they completed the motorcycle officer program, and they don't do that anymore. They don't give them these anymore. So kind of a rare piece. It says on the back here, 90 years of police service. So this one has been kept in good condition. There's no large scratches or anything, or dents. Everything is pretty good, you know. The top seems to have a little bit of a slant to it, but not a bend, but doesn't look like it's damaged or anything. So the other thing I'd want to point out to you is that on this side there looks to be some wear and tear. Just a little scuff mark here. Could be rust, but to me it just looks like wear and tear. So I just wanted to be upfront and honest with you about the condition. Other than that, if you have a Harley-Davidson bike, or if you're a collector of Harley-Davidson memorabilia, this would be a great piece. Also, if you happen to be in a motorcycle gang and you get in trouble, you might be able to get away. All jokes aside, this is a good piece, and good luck bidding on it. I hope you get it.